Alright, come on. Come. Wait a second. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Odie. Happy birthday to you. Tra-la-la, lakat-das, guys. Oh my God. Gi-harvest na ang munggos, guys. Hindi na ang munggos. Kana. When I sing you a love song. Alright, you're not running anywhere, huh? So, just here. Wala na yung munggos, guys. So, ari namin ni Odie mag-hang out. Good job, Odie. Good job. Good, 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 good. Wanna sit down? You sit down with mommy? Oh my God, this is super nice and beautiful. Thank you so much for the beautiful weather. Tanawa, guys. Murag na ay bukid, guys, no? Pero kanang bukid. Layo pa kayo na. Sit down, Odie. Let's sit down. Let's hang out here. Ari lang ta dire, okay? Kaya mula ka ta sa unahan, makatamak tagtais kabaw. So, ari lang ta dire. Di man kamalibang sa uma. Nagunsa man mo diha, guys. Kaming Odie na, araming Odie dire, guys. Oh, good job, look at him. Awesome. What a good boy. What a good boy. Huh? What a good boy is that? You just hang out with mommy? Huh? Oh, good job. That's it, guys. Hang out ako na may diri, guys. Kay wala man nangihang twinny, guys. Let's just sit down here. Huh? Pa-sunburn ka? Nagpa-sunblock si Odie, guys. Si Odie nagpa-sunblock. Pa-sunblock ikaw? Is that a fresh air? Tagas na kuko si Odie, guys. You wanna do a pedicure today? With your kuko? See, look at your kuko. Look at his kuko, guys. Look at kuko. Bill, let me see the kuko. 1, 2. Is that tickle? Is that tickle the kuko? Ay, hang out mo siya, guys. Kay nagpa-sunblock si Odie, guys. Pa-sunburn. Pa-sunburn ka, Odie, kasi tanawang sun. Wow, hello, sun. Sun. Are you hanging out? Good job. Very